This is the assembled cart which we're going to disassemble. It's all very simple. First is obviously you take the strap out, you rotate the seat pads up, they pop out quite easily. As you use your cart more and more, it becomes easier and easier to do. Then the locking pins and the wheels, they pop up. They can only go one way. The wheel slides off. Repeating the same on the other side. Then, in most cases, most watercraft, you can leave this intact and it will fit into even a 10-inch hatch quite easily. However, if you do want to pull it apart, the easiest way to do it is putting your hand on one side, holding the axle and just pulling it apart, and the cart is disassembled. Thank you for buying a C-TUG.